Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. I am HollyLynora. In today's video, we are doing 6 makeup hacks that maybe you didn't know that could hopefully help you in your makeup game and perfecting that base, making your lips look a little pouty, and hopefully helping you when you think you have messed up and you have to redo your whole face. Hopefully these are some tricks and tips that will help you in those areas. If you are new here, hi! It would mean so much to me if you would subscribe, ring the bell, hit that thumbs up button. If you are not new, what's up? Welcome back. You're my rock star. Let's get into these makeup hacks. I have written a whole bunch of stuff down in my iPad so I would not forget. Let's do this. Okay, you guys, so first makeup hack. Let's get right into it. So we are going to throw on our mascara just like any other day. And whoops, I seemed to have gotten it on my eyelid. Now I'm going to use my finger and smudge it all over the rest of my face, all over the makeup, the base that I just did. No ma'am, no you're not. You're going to keep going. Let that mistake dry. Okay, lashes are done. So here's what we're gonna do now to fix that mascara mishap. These mascara wands are from the dollar store. Very inexpensive, very useful. I've seen some people use, and this is personal preference, they have taken a Q-tip, stuck it in their mouth, done the little swirly around, and then wiped it off. I don't do that. If you do that, that is fine. I'm giving you an alternative. This is clean. It has not been in my mouth. It looks just like a regular old mascara wand. And now that this is dried, we're just going to scrape it right off, just like I did there. Easy peasy. Doesn't mess up your other makeup. There you have your first makeup hack. And once you've done that, you do not have to toss this and you're using wand after wand after wand. You can reuse this. You can put it somewhere, maybe with your makeup brushes in your vanity drawer, and you can keep using it until you yourself have deemed it non-usable. Then you can toss it and you've got plenty more, so this will last you a long time. If you don't believe that that trick works, or you don't think there was enough mascara on there, maybe I lightened up the load on purpose to show that, oh, it works if you mess up a little bit. No, let me show you. Let's do a mess up on purpose. We will pop it. That's a pretty good mess up, huh? Right there. Now I'm gonna let that dry. This is crazy. By the way, I would give this at least like 30 seconds to dry down before you go in with the wand and try to scrape it. Make sure it's dry, because if not, you'll just smudge it. Ta-da! Also, be sure to go gently when you are doing that, because these bristles are pretty harsh when they're scraping against your skin, especially your under eye area, which is a sensitive part of your face. So be careful to not scratch yourself. Okay, you guys, makeup hack number 2, the infamous blush mishap. We are gonna go in with obviously wrong colors. We're gonna go in with this deep purple right here. Clearly is not going to look pretty on my skin. It's not going to compliment me. It is going to give me a very clown-like look, but that's okay because I have a trick to fix that. And you may be thinking, why would you purposely go in and put on the wrong color? Nobody does that. Most likely, yeah, you're right, but it does happen. You go in a little too hard into your blush, you forget to tap off the excess, boom, Now you've got a big red, hot pink, purple, whatever color right there on your cheek, right over the base that you just perfected. We have ways to fix that. Ooh, that is definitely too very clown-like. Matter of fact, we're gonna go ahead and throw in this color too, just to really pack it on. Wow. Okay, no worries, let's fix it up. I am going to take a damp beauty blender and a sheer foundation. It does not have to be NARS. It does not have to be Beauty Blender brand. Your favorite sheer foundation, your favorite makeup sponge, or even your fingertips will do. Start with a small drop on your beauty blender. And we're going to sheer it out. I'm going to add a little more as I go, but you can already see that looks so much better. Okay, let that dry down and you're good to retry your blush, hopefully with the right shade and the right amount of tapping off the excess. But I will say one downside to this is now this beauty blender is not usable, so just go ahead and put that in the pile of brushes, beauty blenders, etc. that need to be washed. Are you guys ready for tip number 3? Let's get into it. I like this one a lot because if you don't have makeup brushes, etc., whatever, you can always use your fingers, and that's how we're gonna start. If you want your highlighter to look more skin-like and stay longer, please pay attention. Super easy, super quick, adds maybe 15 seconds onto your routine, if that. This contains Aquaphor and your highlighter. So I am just going to take a little bit on my finger of Aquaphor. That's barely any. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Barely any on my finger. And I'm going to dab it wherever I want my highlighter. And just to keep it simple, keep it quick, we're going to go on the pretty basic spots. Tops of your cheek, and just gently swipe it back and forth. Next, I'm going to take the actual highlighter. Does not have to be Fenty Beauty, your favorite highlighter will do. And I'm just gonna go in with my finger and dab it right on top. And now your highlight is going to stay put, stay shiny, and it also helps enhance that dolphin skin look. And on this side, I'll just go in with a brush to show you that it works either way. But when I do use a brush, I'm kind of using these quick pressing motions as to not swirl the Aquaphor all around on my skin and into the brush. And we are going to move right along into hack number 4. Are we on 4? Yes, I believe we are on 4. This one's quick, this one's easy. A lot of people just don't know this. Super simple. You probably already have these things: bronzer and some sort of smaller fluffy brush. This is from Bling Brushes and this is the F16. All I'm going to do to create more poutier lips, I am going to take my small brush, swipe it in the bronzer, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to brush it right under my bottom lip and make sure it is blended in. You're gonna have a brown ring looking thing, and we don't want that. So just tapping And it also helps if you bring in your lips. And now we have pouty lips, just like that. Okay, this next hack, boom. I know you guys have seen this all through this video. I know it's there. It is not a pimple. I was exfoliating and scratched my skin, so therefore I have a scab there. But we are going to pretend that it is a pimple, and we are going to cover it. If you do not have green color corrector, which if you don't know, green is the color to counteract redness. So if you have breakouts and your face is looking a little red, green color corrector will work. If you don't have that, grab an eyeshadow primer that is in a nude shade, the shade closest to your skin. This is the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I love this primer, but today we're going to dab it right on that spot. And now I'm going to press that onto my nose, right on the redness that we want covered up. And now I am going to take my concealer, this is Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to dot it right over there. Why are we using eyeshadow primer? Because it's going to grab onto this concealer and it's going to hold put. It's going to stay right there. Just a little bit. Makeup sponge. And I am pressing this in. Not swirling it. Just pressing it in. And now for the sixth and final fun, quick, easy hack that I have for you guys. Do you want more plump lips without the surgery? Listen up. Peppermint essential oil. This bad boy is your best friend. The peppermint is going to stimulate the circulation once you apply it to your lips, or really whichever area you apply it to on your body. But when you put it on your lips, it's going to stimulate that circulation and it's going to cause a swelling effect. Therefore, plumping your lips for not as long as the injections are going to last you, but for a night out, this is perfect. A little bit goes a long way. Just a dab. Just enough to see that it's visible on my finger. It's not even running down. That's how little I have on my finger. And you're just going to press it on. I would do this little trick. Oh, my lips are starting to tingle. I would do this little trick at the beginning of my routine. That way it can set in, your lips can really start to absorb the essential oil, and by the time you've done your base, your eyes, you are ready to rock whichever lip color you are planning to rock that night. Okay, you guys, that is that for my 6 makeup hacks that I think will help every beginner or expert, medium level, wherever you think you are. I think those are definitely some hacks that will help you out in your makeup game. A couple things to make things a little easier, a couple things to help you when you think you have completely messed up. Hope those saved the day for you, and a few other hacks to help you go further in perfecting your base, making your lips look pouty. You know the drill. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.